Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We just wanted to say thank you for the stroller. I hope you enjoy the hyperlapse of the video that we set up for you.
Yeah, he's been pushing it around the house. He really likes it.
It's fun, actually. It moves really well. It glides. You definitely feel like you can take it over about anything. Not that I'm going to be, but
Maybe. We get to leave the house again, ever.
yeah, ever. We hope to see you pushing it around soon.
Yes.
Very much want to see you guys, all of you. Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Meredith. Thank you, Mom, Dad.
Yes, thank you very much, everybody.
We really do. Hope to see you soon. We love you.
Love you.
Everybody that we're going to send this to, Marlon, Renee, hope to see you guys soon too. Love you guys.